So black 1 ditong part. Black 1.
And we're going to black 2.
So pupunta kami yung black 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Sama ko si Gavin. So pababa kami ng black 2. Ito yung black 2. Pagka bumaling tayo dito sa pakanan,
This is
black
black.
6 yan, no? Oh. Going down kami.
Black 3, but you stop again. And you stop again in a minute.
Okay. So black 3. Okay, nasa side kami ng black 3. Andun yung black 1, black 2, black 6.
And black 3.
3.
I want to see what's going on of that horse there.
Yeah, we're going to the horse.
Let's see what's the horse.
Ah, may black pa dito, Gavin. Punta tayo dito. Sarap ng hangin.
Uy, that's black 4. Black 4. That's black 4. I see black 4.
Where?
Over there. That one.
Okay, we go to the black 4. This is the black 5, Gavin.
I think I see another black. Oh, black 5. This is black 5. I want to check out the number 5.
Yeah, that's the black 5.
Here, and we will go to black 4.
Ah, there yung black 4. Black 5. Wait lang, Gavin. So, yung black 6, black 3,
Black 1.
andun yung black 1 sa taas na yun.
2. And black 5.
Black
and
2.
Black 4.
Black 5 kami. We're trying to go down. Medyo steep, Gavin. There. We go to the horse. Pero we have to look at the black 5 first.
Why?
It's for documentation. Black 5. Black 5. Ano meron sa likod ng black 5? Oh, there's a dump. Bang.
I'm so tired walking now.
Eh, ganun talaga.
I wanna go
Tapos may pond doon sa baba.
Can I go back?
Yeah, black 4 may pond banda. May well, oh. Doon ang black 7, oh. Over there.
Okay, I can see the black 7.
Yes.
Black 7, oh.
Sa black 4 mayroong pond na maliit dito. May horse din siya. Ayun yung horse.
Wait, that's black 4 over there.
Ah, doon ang black 4 din, oh. Okay, rest muna, rest. Black 4.
Because I want to see her again. I want to see Mama.
Okay, malawak dito.
This is a wild adventure.
A wild adventure ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whew. Whew.
I don't want to go on the adventure.
Oh, may dang ulit, may dang. Okay, black 7 yun. Nakikita nyo. Yes po. So may pader na tayo.
Black 7.
Yeah, black 7, sure.
Hey, why would I not go back? So steep.
It's not. Yeah. Oh, hinahanap tayo ng mama mo. Black 7. Ang layo na namin ni Gavin. What is that? May malalim dito, oh.
Oh my God.
What is that? What is that? Okay. For area kasi nandito lang yung kabayo. So, andun yung hangganan. Okay. Yeah. Dito black 4. Ayun yung tarpaulin, black 4. Ayun yung kabayo natin. Okay. Hangganan doon. Black 4 area. Andun sila. Akit kami. Kapagod eh. Sige. So, andito kami sa Black Tree banda. Ayun yung tarpaulin ng Black Tree.
I can see the kabayo pa.
Black 4,
See the kabayo.
the kabayo there. Okay. Grabe paakyat. Pagod. Let's go, Gavin. Let's go, Gavin. Ready?
Yeah.
We are ready. Pagod na.